Hello and welcome to the video where I'll show you how to remove the micro SD card from your GoPro 7 Hero Black. So to get to this, we simply look to the bottom of the camera, and here we have a small rectangle, and we press and hold this and slide to the left. Once we've done that, we can release the button and the door will flip open. We have the battery here, and just above that, if you can just make out, there's a slot there, and that is where the micro SD card is. So if you have nails, you can go in there, press it, or you may need a pin or one of those little needle things you use to get your SIM card out. But I'm going to try it with my nail. It's just about to be long enough, and you can see I pressed it and it popped up a little. Now I need to get my hand inside to pull it out, which I can hopefully do like this, so you can see. There we go. And that is the micro SD card. So to put it back in, we simply reverse the process. Just bear in mind, when you're putting the micro SD card into the camera, we have the gold contacts facing the top. So the lens is at the top, the gold contacts at the top. So we find the slot, we push the card in, and when I push it in, you'll hear a little click, and that means that it's seated. So let's go for that. There we go, hope you heard that click. That's seated, and to close the door, we press down and we slide it back into place, and that is now complete. So now you know how to change the SD card. Hope you found this useful. If you have, do give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you are currently using a GoPro 7, how you found it. If you are thinking of getting one, or if you use a different camera altogether, tell me what your experiences are. I'm very new to using GoPros, and I can say so far I very much like it. It's a lot of fun, very portable, and the video quality, the recording quality is absolutely amazing. If you want to check out some of the videos I've done some walking trips around London where I've just captured day-to-day living. You know, if you've never been to London, it's a great opportunity to have a look and see what it's like, what the people are like, what the cars are like, and who knows, maybe one day I may even capture you in London yourself. So look, subscribe to the video, and I'd just like to say thank you very much for choosing it, and have a great day.